which of the following statement are not correct about the Champaran Satyagraha? So now in 1915 Mahatma Gandhi ji came to India. Now once he came to India in in January 1915, his political advisor or political guru Gopal Krishna Gokhale told him not to take part in any of the political activity roughly for 1 year. Tour India, try to understand the condition, because from where you are coming, from South Africa, the conditions are very, very different, right? So basically he asked him to travel. He asked him to go to different places, understand the actual issues. So basically he traveled. Then only after that he took part in his first movement. This can be considered as his first movement where he had taken the active part. This is first regional movement where he had taken part. So it is Champaran Satyagraha. Now what was Champaran Satyagraha? Basically there was a Tinkatia system that used to be there. Now what is Tinkatia system? It was basically based upon the condition that out of 3 of total 20 land, मतलब आप पूरे land में से आपको 3 out of 20 part पे you have to cultivate what? You have to cultivate indigo. Now regarding indigo, there was already a rebellion during 1859-1860, the Indigo Revolt. But this is the condition where certain areas mein this issue was already going on even after that. So basically planters are still forcing peasants to cultivate indigo on this particular system के basis पे 3 out of 20. Now हुआ क्या? That after World War I, there was German dye or the synthetic German dye. Now when in market synthetic German dye was there, now at that point of time पे the market of indigo suddenly went down. कि indigo का demand कम हो गया market में. Now but the planters have this option to sell the indigo. So basically what planters started doing, planters started exploiting the peasants. What they were doing कि भाई देखो peasant आपको बोला था आप 10 रुपए में खरीदेंगे, but now we will offer you only 2 rupees for this crop. Did peasant had any other option to sell? Because they can't eat indigo, they can't sell indigo to anyone, because basically the production will be done by Britishers only, right? So in this particular case, there is no that much market available with them, and hence they have to do the distress selling of indigo. So this was a kind of exploitative system. Now in this particular system, what happened? That there was a person from the peasant, Rajkumar Shukla, who went to Mahatma Gandhi ji, persuaded him to visit to the place of Champaran. Then when Gandhi ji visited Champaran, he discussed with a lot of peasants. Peasants told their grievances, and then ultimately Mahatma Gandhi ji को एक फरमान आता है कि भाई गांधी जी leave this place or vacate this place. Gandhi ji said, no, I will defy all the order which will come from the unjust government, because government is not giving any kind of responsible attitude towards the basically peasants. So in this particular situation, Gandhi ji defied those orders. So it became a civil disobedience movement. He defied order, he stayed there, he visited places. So then the central government stepped in. Central government ने local government को बोला रुकिए आप, you do not intervene in this, we will form a indigo commission for this. They have formed a commission. Gandhi ji was taken as one of the member. Now the commission was inquiring this particular situation, and then commission found out that yes, this system is exploitative, and then give whatever you have illegally extracted, out of that amount 25% you should outrightly give to the peasants. मतलब 25% जो illegal extract किया है वो आप वापस दे दो. And hence from here Gandhi ji won his first fight against the Britishers in India in the form of Champaran Satyagraha. Other personalities associated with Gandhi ji, Narhari Parikh, Mazhar ul Haq, Pandit Rajendra Prasad. So basically these were the persons associated with him. So this is not 3 out of 10, it is 3 out of 20. This is wrong. Rajkumar Shukla persuaded Gandhi ji to take up the cause of the cultivators. Yes, this is correct. But the question is asking us to choose the not correct. Okay? So then this will become correct. This will be correct. Rajkumar Shukla persuaded. Later government appointed a commission under the leadership of Gandhi ji. Government appointed a commission, not under leadership of Gandhi ji. Gandhi ji was taken as one of the member, nominated by the central government. This is also wrong. The question is asking us to choose the not correct one. 1 and 3 are not correct. So basically what should be answer? C, 1 and 3 should be the correct answer to this question. Clear hai? Question number